Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. Regarding the NEET 2024, awarding grace marks was arbitrary. Plea in the Supreme Court demands re-NEET. Amidst escalating demands for a reconduction of the NEET UG 2024 examination, a fresh plea has been filed before the Supreme Court calling for the annulment of the results and a new examination. Petitioners have highlighted widespread discrepancies and alleged arbitrary granting of grace marks by the NTA, including statistically improbable scores of 718 and 719 marks out of 720. The petitioners suspect the granting of the grace marks was a tactic to favor certain students, citing 67 students scoring a perfect 720 and multiple complaints about the provisional answer key and question paper leaks. Previous pleas to cancel the test and stay the results have been denied by the Supreme Court. This new plea filed by individuals from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh calls for a special investigation team to probe the alleged malpractices and a stay on the NEET UG 2024 counselling until the investigation concludes. Nearly 500 out of 706 medical colleges slapped show cause notices by NMC. The NMC has issued show cause notices to around 500 medical colleges across India for failing to meet the NMC's minimum standard requirement, according to media reports. Approximately 80% of Indian medical colleges were found not meeting the criteria. NMC inspections revealed absenteeism among faculty, inadequate infrastructure, and student grievances related to ragging, inadequate hostels, and poor student-teacher relationships. Penalties ranging from Rs 10 lakh to Rs 1 crore have been imposed, with potential reductions in student seats if improvements are not made. Under the Maintenance of Standards of Medical Education Regulations 2023, NMC can issue warnings, impose monetary penalties, reduce student seats, and withdraw accreditation for up to 5 years. In Tamil Nadu, government medical colleges in Dharmapuri, Ramanthapuram, and Nagapattinam faced fines up to Rs 3 lakh. In Chhattisgarh, Kankan Medical College was fined Rs 1 crore, while other colleges faced penalties for faculty shortages and lack of essential resources. Shri Jagat Prasad Nada is set to reclaim the position of Union Health Minister in Modi Cabinet 3.0 after previously serving in the same role during Prime Minister Modi Government 1.0. Additionally, he will head the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. The pharmaceutical sector part of this ministry was previously managed by Shri Mansukh Mandaviya, who will now serve as Labour and Employment Minister. Srimati Anupriya Patel will continue as the Ministry of State for Health and Family Welfare and also serve as Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers. She has been President of the Apna Dal Party since 2016 and previously served as Ministry of State for Commerce and Industry. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.